Daryo, and I'm Sabiha Samar. Here are today's top stories. On May 30th, President Shavkat Mirziyoyev inaugurated the construction of 3 major infrastructure projects in the Bukhara region. These projects include a gas chemical complex, a solar power plant, and a new international airport. The gas chemical complex in the Karakol Free Economic Zone will utilize MTO technology, a first for Uzbekistan. With an investment of approximately $5 billion, this facility will process 1.3 billion cubic meters of natural gas annually, producing over 1 million tons of high-demand polymer products. This complex is expected to create 2,000 direct jobs and stimulate an additional 4,000 jobs in related industries. In response to the growing demand for electricity, a new 250 megawatt solar power plant will be built by Masdar, a UAE-based company. Located in the Olod district, this plant will connect to the national power grid by December 2025. This initiative is part of Uzbekistan's broader plan to increase its renewable energy capacity. The new international airport in Bukhara aims to enhance service quality and accommodate the rising number of tourists. Valued at $226 million, the airport will serve 1,200 passengers per hour and attract new international airlines. This development comes as Bukhara experiences a tourism boom, with 1.4 million foreign tourists visiting in 2023. The Trans-Caspian international transport route is expected to see a tenfold increase in container traffic by 2037. The European Bank for Reconstruction and Development reports that up to 470,000 freight containers will pass through TITR annually, potentially rising to 800,000 containers for all of Central Asia. The significant growth is attributed to a new agreement between Kazakhstan and China. This agreement aims to streamline cargo transportation, making TITR an increasingly attractive route for freight transport between China and Europe. In April 2024, Inpex North Caspian Sea, a subsidiary of Japan's Inpex in Kazakhstan, successfully exported 20,000 tons of oil to Germany via the Druzhba Pipeline. This marks a significant milestone as Inpex becomes the second Kazakh company to use this route for oil exports to Germany. According to the Russian Ministry of Energy, Inpex holds a 7.6% stake in the Kashagan field. Kazakhstan's energy minister announced in March 2024 that negotiations are underway with Germany to increase oil supplies to 2 million tons this year. In 2023, Inpex shipped nearly 40,000 tons of oil via Novorossiysk and over 18,000 tons via Ust-Luga. This year, the company has already exported 22,000 tons through Novorossiysk and no shipments yet through Ust-Luga. Kyrgyzstan's Ministry of Energy has outlined the comprehensive plan to develop the country's national energy program until 2035. A key aspect of this program involves the export of electricity to Pakistan starting next year under the CASA 1000 initiative. The Central Asia-South Asia 1000 program aims to supply electricity to Afghanistan and Pakistan. Kyrgyzstan projects with approximately 1.25 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity will be exported to South Asia during the summer of 2025. This is a strategic move to utilize the high electricity production from hydroelectric power plants during the summer, contrasted with the electricity shortages experienced in winter. By 2026, the expected supply is projected to rise to 1.7 billion kilowatt-hours. From 2028 onwards, electricity exports are anticipated to average 1.75 billion kilowatt-hours annually. In Tajikistan, President Emomali Rahmon has laid the foundation for the country's first solar panel equipment manufacturing plant in the Dangara Free Economic Zone. This project, in collaboration with South Korea's Global Solar Wafer, represents a crucial step towards enhancing Tajikistan's renewable energy capacity. The plant, set for completion in 4 phases, will employ over 8,000 people and significantly contribute to the nation's green economic strategy. By 2030, Tajikistan aims to increase its alternative energy production capacities to at least 1,000 megawatts. In Afghanistan, the government has reduced the business tax rate from 0.5% to 0.3%. This decision aims to support businesses amid the absence of foreign aid. The new tax rate applies to businesses with annual sales up to AFN 2 million, exempting them from taxation. Deputy Prime Minister Abdul Salam Hanafi emphasized the importance of fair tax collection practices. Acting ministers highlighted that this measure is essential to support the national budget and facilitate economic growth. That's all for today's news. Stay tuned for more updates.